beautiful. I hope you're having a lovely day. You see the title, you know exactly what we're gonna be talking about, so I'm gonna keep it as sweet, as simple, and quick as I can. In this video, I'm gonna be checking out the Sigma makeup brushes. So Sigma as a brand is kind of new to me. I know that is not a new brand on the market in general, but believe it or not, it's a new brand to me, as I don't really have much products from Sigma. The only thing that I have is a Sigma face palette, the Essentials face palette that being created in collaboration with my friend Stephanie. I spoke about this before. I'm gonna link that video in here so you guys can check it out. I did like a proper review of this palette, so I'm gonna use, you can see how dirty it is because I use it a lot. So I'm gonna use this palette today while we checking out these brushes. Alright, so without any further ado, we should check out what we have. Why I'm doing this video? I hear you ask. Well, simply because Sigma brushes are not the cheapest brushes on the market, and when it comes to spending a bit more money than, you know, average, I think it's worth to do a little research and see if it's really worth the money. So without any further ado, let's check out. So in this video, I'm gonna be checking out the Sigma Most Wanted brush set, my favorite face and eye brushes, E25 blending brush, apply combined shadow shades, E30 pencil, soft liner along the lashes, E40 tapered blending, soften and blend harsh lines, F35 tapered highlighter, dust on highlight shades, and F80 flat kabuki, blend liquid cream products onto skin. Packaging wise is actually quite simple, nothing super posh, luxurious about it. So money definitely is not in the packaging. So where is the money? What you pay for then? Let's see. Okay, so far what I like, that's a paper packaging. That means it's easily recyclable. What I don't like is these plastic sleeves, because that's not recyclable. Another thing that I forgot to mention, I ordered these brushes online. It took more than 2 months to arrive, so that's a thumbs down for me. But saying that, I've seen that Sigma sells in the stores like Boots in UK, so you can actually go to Boots and pick it directly or order from Boots, so then the delivery would be faster. Okay, let's see the brushes that we have in here. The flat kabuki brush. Okay, feels amazing. It's kind of dense but yet soft. I love it. It's just plain black and silver. It's not like pink or purple or something, because I'm a sucker for black packaging and like black and white. The F35 tapered highlighter brush. Okay, now I really like this. The bristles are extremely soft, so we'll see how this is gonna work. Now, a brush we have in here is E40 tapered blending, soften and blend. It's quite chunky actually, it's quite big, so we'll see. The E25, quite dense brush actually. Pencil brush, cute little brush. And one more brush that I have in here is the P87 Edge Precision Brush. Precisely apply and blend concealer. Small, steeply angled triangular brush head. So for this look, I'm gonna use, as I said, the Essentials palette by Sigma and Stephanie, as that's the only Sigma makeup that I own, and I think that kind of suits this theme. I'm gonna quickly prep and prime my eyelids. We can go with the eyeshadow first and later check the face brushes. Ooh, okay. Actually, I like it. Yeah, because this is a triangle, so it's good kind of know to do around the inner corner. So I'm gonna use this contour shade as my transition color, so heighten my creases. And for that, I'm just gonna use this fluffy brush. They call it the tapered blending. Just gonna go slightly bit higher than my creases. Definitely perfect for overall color application, like overall lit, you know, if you wanna just do it quite quick. Next thing I'm doing, I'm taking the E25 blending brush and this brown shade and just going this in the outer corner. Using the same brush, and I'm gonna go for this white shade just with another side, with a clean side, and we're gonna go inner eye corner to the middle. Press into the shade. As you see, I just tap on, not blending yet, just tapping the shade on where I want it to be, and then I'm gonna buff it. I want to try all brushes in here, so I'm using the E30, the pencil brush. I'm gonna go with this dark brown shade as my eyeliner. Close the lash line, just work the color in. Okay, another thing that I want to do, I'm gonna take this shimmery gold color called Metal, just with my finger, and press in the middle of the lid. I'm gonna quickly apply the mascara, and then we can do the face and finish the lower lash line. Let's do a foundation so we can try this F80 Flat Kabuki brush and see how good or bad it is. Using the Conceal and Fix by Revolution. Foundation, I'm going with NYX Skin Step 1 Step and Natural. Okay. It feels super soft. Doesn't give me enough coverage. Like, I would need it to be slightly bit denser for the coverage I want. The denser of a brush, the more coverage. The softer the brush, the less coverage. You know, it's doable. It's just I prefer the bigger coverage rather than like a sheer look. Just because I have redness like rosacea and all, so I prefer to cover it up properly, you know. We're gonna fix it. So concealer, I'm using the Conceal and Define NC1. Oh, this brush is actually amazing to use. Back with this brush. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly apply the setting powder, and then we can contour using this palette. Actually, I could use this highlighter brush for the setting powder. I always use brushes just the way I feel, not necessarily by the, you know, what they recommend to use it for. I'm gonna use the Revolution Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Conceal and Fix. Ooh, okay. Love this brush for setting powder for sure. It is actually. Yeah, I believe that all the brushes are multitasking brushes actually, and you know, you can use the way you think and feel is the best for you to use them for. Well, let's do some contour. So I think I might use this for contour as well. I'm gonna go super multitasking today. So for my contour, I'm gonna use this lighter shade. Contours on, I use a different brush to apply the nose contour and the blush. Therefore, I didn't film this part because this video is about Sigma. So for blush, I use the Tarte Ornate Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush. On the lips, to anyone who's asking, I have a NYX Shine Lounge Ambitious Statement. Okay, highlighter part. So I'm gonna use a highlighter from this palette and this brush. So I'm just gonna quickly clean this off. Guys, actually, I love this. My first brush gonna be far too big for the highlighter, but because it's so soft, it goes so gently on. Let's add that. Okay, let's do the lower lash line and we're done. So I'm gonna use this pencil brush with a product that is on already. I'm not gonna add anything else. Go out the corner. So I don't want this to be sweated. Just out the corner we have this dark brown color on already. And coming back to this brush and this shade. So I'm gonna clean this pencil brush just to my hand quickly. Okay, gonna take the highlighter shade. Mascara on the lash line, and we're done. What do you guys think of this makeup look? Okay, so what I think about these particular Sigma brushes that I just tried, the Cult Faves for full face. So we have 5 brushes plus this extra brush that I tried. The brushes itself, amazing. Like, I can't fault the brushes quality or anything in any way. The price, yes, it is pricier. If you're wondering, I did pay my own money for this. I ordered myself this. It's not gifted or sponsored in any way or anything. Just in case you think that I'm speaking far too nice about this brand or anything like this. I'm always super honest, by the way, with all my reviews. These brushes, really like the quality. Love the bristles, love it is super soft, love it is cruelty free and vegan friendly. The packaging, they could improve that, in my opinion, like something that I could keep maybe, because it's quite pricey, let's be fair and honest, but it's cheaper to get 5 brushes rather than get 1 brush, as you get more for the price. The only thing I didn't like, because I said I ordered it directly from Sigma website, it took more than 2 months to arrive. I have no idea why it takes so long. I don't know where they're shipping from, but saying that, as I mentioned, I've seen that they sell their brushes in booths directly in the store or online, so if you want to get your hands on it, you can purchase it directly rather than buying online. But perks with buying online, sometimes you do some kind of promotions or, you know, sales or something, so you can get it cheaper than buying directly in the shop. But then if you're considering if you will need to wait for 2 months plus for it to arrive and you need brushes right here right now, it's better to pay more and get it in a store. So that's all that I can say about these brushes. Is it worth the money? In my opinion, yes, because I have some brushes that are super cheap. I'm just trying to find, I have loads of brushes around me if you're wondering. For example, I have this brush by e.l.f. Cheap as chip, but doesn't worth money. I mean, I don't have anything against e.l.f. I love the brand, but the brush, I mean, this is like the cheapest chip. Rather than spending your money on a cheap shit, sorry e.l.f., I love the brand, not the brushes, better invest money for a better brand, the higher quality but will last you longer, that is made better. I'll let you decide, guys, if it's a yay or a nay from you. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you have any Sigma brushes, if you're loving it or hating it, and what's your opinion in general about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you find this helpful. If so, don't forget to press that thumbs up. As always, subscribe to my channel for more. It doesn't cost a penny, completely free, not painful even. All you need to do is hit the button. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful and what you would like to see next up on my channel. More reviews, more tutorials, or review and tutorials merged in one video. And yeah, I shall see you very soon, so thank you so much for watching. Bye, have an amazing day, you guys. Ciao.